Next, we will write an algorithm to find a factorial of given number. What do you mean by factorial? For example, if you would like to find a factorial of 5, then what we do is, we multiply this number with a number which is 1 less than it, 1 less than it, 1 less than it, and 1 less than it. That is, if at all user give 5, what is the factorial? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 120. So this is what should be the output when we give 5 as the input to find the factorial. So this is the algorithm. Let me write an algorithm name, that is algorithm to find factorial of user given number. Now start, declare f equal to 1 and n as a variable of integer type. Next, read one number under n, any number. Now let me take n as 6. Now let me put on table. So under the table I will have two values, that is f and n. So here f is initialized with 1 and n we have taken as 6 here. Means I write one value from the user. Let's assume that user has given us 6. It comes over here. What is n? 6. Is it greater than 1? Yeah, it is true. That's why it gets inside. Here we have written f equal to f into n. F is having 1, n is having 6. Now 1 into 6 once again put back into f. That's why f previously it was 1, it becomes 6 now. N equal to n minus 1, n becomes 5. Again the control goes back for the repetition. What is there in n? We have 5. 5 is greater than 1. Now it becomes true, gets inside. What is there in n? We have 5. What is there in f? We have 6. Am I right? F is having 6 and n has become 5. 6 5s are 30. F becomes 30 now. Now n equal to n minus 1. N becomes 4. Again the control goes back to check whether this condition is true or what. If at all it is false, it goes out. If at all it is true, it gets in. To repeat this two statements. Now n is carrying 4. 4 is greater than 1. It is true, get inside. What is there in f? We have 30. What is there in n? We have 4. 30 into 4, it becomes 120. F becomes 120. N equal to n minus 1, it becomes 3. Next, goes back. What is there in n? We have 3. Once again, it holds good. It is 2 now. Gets inside. What is there in f? We have 120 and we have 3 under n. So, f becomes 360. And n reduced by 1, again goes back, n is having 2. Gets inside, it is true because it gets inside. What is there here? 360. What is there in n? We have 2. 2 into 360 will become 720. F becomes 720. Now it becomes 1. Again it goes back, it holds good and gets inside. N becomes 1 and f is 720. 720 into 1 will be 720 only, it remains same. Once again it becomes 0. Goes back, this is false now, comes out. See here, the loop is terminated. Comes out print f. What is there here? 720. Output will be 720 and stops. This is how we can find out the factorial of given number.